Hi, this video is to guide you how to add item option in Firepos. First we go to Setting. Then select Item option. Click Add to add item option. First we can select category or key in new category. For this example we will key in new category. Then key in option name. Last we click Save button to save. You can see the new item option is updated at the list. Here we will show one more time to let you more familiar. After done this part, now we go to option setup. You can find which item you want to bind with the item option you added just now or search it. After select the item, you can tick the item option at the right-hand side to point it with your main item. After tick it will auto-save. So now we go into table to see how it works. Click the button on top right to call item option. You can see the item option we added is showing it here. Thanks for watching.